This yeah. Now we're on to part three. Yeah. No, part two. That's the baby. You know, you're watching the baby and do 3 likes. You know that. And now we now under this video. You know that. And what are we now? We wanna um we have a like this um we have a cake melon here. You never know that. I also maybe this invisible squid. You never know that it also starts something else, someone else. You know, his color is pumpkin. She's also dead. Kind of cool. She's kind of cool. She's Irish because she says numbers. I don't know. She said what numbers one. And this cake, apple. You know that she's have a happy body. Let's see what she's have a cover. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's also a color cake. There's a corn cake. Oh yeah. There's also and there's a dragon fruit. Oh yeah, there's also maybe cake. What about this? And we're making a rainbow. How's his head supposed to be like this? Guys, how's his head supposed to be like this? Oh yeah, it's also color block. And what about this? Oh, it's also color cake. Guys, this is also a color cake. You didn't know how to blow up the candles? Oh my god. Oh my god, I snapped his body or something else. First, you see that? See that? Just put it like this and on. See, you can't know anything. Not any like water gun. See that? Anyways, we created Anyways, we need a 30 what's 30 12? It's 32. Yeah, 30 yeah 2. Yo, will you be back? Hello. And we have achievement popcorns, net and connection, and the aquarium mods, and the super achievement, and the fire achievement, and the 99 achievement, and the render achievement, and the mood achievement. Know that? We needed one more achievement left. Okay, you know that. But anyways, today I'm showing you how to make it end this, you know, this thing is it's a bottle. You have to break anything, you know that. And now you know is a tomato, and then his head is a tomato. You know that. We have to break his head. We have to break his head or something else. We want to break his head. We want to break his head. Okay. Now we're breaking his head. Now we have to stand back ahead. Yo, bro, stand. And now I'm moving this head again because today I'm moving his head again because it is kind of together. And yo, Yeah, now we put anybody you like. Put anybody to connect it. Connect to anybody you like. First, we have to connect this thing. We have to use this rope for the using. No, I don't like this. Like this and 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 like, and there's this force or something else. So yeah, and there's this bonds and there's this other bonds, and now we connect together again. Now we connect together again. We just and this other side and this other side. See it? Oh, how we move it everything like crazy. How to make a pumpkin arm and a melon face on it? I don't know. I don't know, guys. Now today is going to teach you. First, grab the pumpkin. Oh, grab the pumpkin arm like this or something. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What have we done? What have we done the pumpkin arm? What have we done the pumpkin arm? But whatever. We try again, guys. We doing some nice. First, move this pumpkin arm like this and like this. You know that it's also easy. Put the stupid with the front. Put the stupid with the front. But we do it and wait, stop freezing. And now we oh my god. Oh my goodness. What we done the pumpkin? What we done the melon? Oh yeah. Now we put like this. See, she doesn't have an arm. She doesn't have an arm. Now she's done our arm. You know that? First, we want to put the yo, bro, come on, and put in gravity and put center, and now we put this because she's kind of wipe up and the body or something else. But how we put the pumpkin on and the melon? First we wanna this, yeah. Now we wanna this because this all uncool. Now we put it back together, and now make it this, and now no rope. Are you kidding me, bro? Whatever, how you move it. But whatever, how you make it drag yourself. But we need not a truck. And now we need a woman. We need a woman. Oh, look. There's a TV for the kids. Yeah, I like this TV. And now the truck. Yo, bro. Beep, 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 beep. No more watching TV. Oh, man. Not again. Not again. Yeah, not again. Yeah, it's me. Yeah. And Melody. Wait. Melody's not supposed to be the white dress. Melody's supposed to be the white dress. And now we have a pumpkin here. And now we have a girl. We can see so cute. And now we have a girl and me cute. Because they wanna sit together. You know that? You know that? Oh. Wait a second, guys. I have to break this. Yo, bro, I don't wanna go to school. Yeah, me too, bro. Yeah, me too, bro. Let's try the bus. Yeah, bro, you can't do this. Whatever, it's just crazy stuff ever. I don't want to go there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, bro, you don't wanna go to bus, so but I go in the bus. Whatever I want. I don't want a bus. But I don't want a bus. Beep beep, go right now. It's too late. Too late? Fine. Fine, I'm going in. Yo, bro, stop moving. Yo, bro, stop moving. Yes, stop moving. Why this thing is not on the station? Yeah, like this. Yo, get in. Yo, bro, this bus is so sassy. Yo, bro, this bus is so sassy. I want to get out of here. God. Oh my goodness, she killed Apple because she's it. Yo, bro, I don't want to go past anymore. Yo, bro, why are you here and why are we? But why are we here? Why are we? I think some Melody like this good or something else. Yo, bro, yo, get off! Oh my God, sorry. You shut up yourself. You shut up yourself. You shut up yourself with something else. Why are you talking to me like this? Oh my God, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. No, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Yo, bro, yo, no, what up? Yo, oh my God, guys, help! Guys, help! This girl is so evil. Why do you do that? Yo, bro, get off! Go! Oh, bro, help! Oh my goodness! Oh my God, what's it? Oh, damn you, stupid girl! So I'm going to take him. Sorry, son, I didn't mean to.
সারাদিন লেগে নানিরে দেখতে তুই ক বিকালের দিকে তো আর বাসায় আইছিল 5টার দিকে মনে বাসায় আইছে তারপরে কইতাছে যে একটু পরে যাইবো দাও মোবাইল দাও ওই যে আমার